Okay, for 18.3 work together, they give us our cash receipts journal, and then we have 4 transactions to complete. So our first one is June 1st, where we sold 6,000 shares of $10 par value common stock at a par value of $60,000, R258. So our date is June 1st. Our account title is capital stock dash common. Document number is R258. And then it will be a general credit of $60,000 and a cash debit of $60,000. Now remember, if they don't give you this amount here, you just take the shares times the amount. Second transaction, June 9th, we sold 2,000 shares of $10 par value common stock at $10.50 per share, $21,000, R267. So this one we have to do a little bit more math, but our date is June 9th. Our first account will be the capital stock dash common again, R267. And then the 2,000 times 10 is 20,000. And then they already told us the total amount of cash we got, which was 21,000. And then our second line will be pay dash in capital in excess of capital in excess of par dash common. And so there's a couple ways you can calculate this. You could just take the 21,000 minus 20,000, or if you just want to double check to make sure you did your math right, you'd go ahead and take the 2,000 times 1050. And so for that, we would get 21,000. So kind of same thing, 21,000 minus the 20,000. So in the credit, $1,000. Okay, then on June 22nd, we issued 500 shares of 5%, $60 par value preferred stock at a par value of $30,000, R289. So our date is going to be June 22nd. Account title will be capital stock dash preferred. Our document number is R289. And then we just take the amount they give us, 30,000, and the general credit and cash debit. And so then our last one is we issued 500 shares of $10 par value common stock at $11.25 per share. So this is just like our number 9, but they want us to actually do the math. So June 30th. And so capital stock dash common. So our account title, R301. And so then we're going to take 500 times $10 and get $5,000. Then we'll take the 500 times 1125, which gets us $5,625. And then our second line is the paid dash in capital in excess of par dash common. And then we'll just subtract, so $625. And that is your work together for today.